Welcome to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I will explore 5 profitable online business ideas that you can start in your 20s. Now, these ideas require minimal initial investment and you can start right from the comfort of your home. So whether you're in your early 20s and a recent graduate or a young professional, or you're simply someone who wants to take the leap into entrepreneurship, then these business ideas could be the stepping stones towards your successful online business venture. Now, before I start explaining these 5 online business ideas, let me state that it is always easier to start and grow a business idea when you have a skill. Now, learning and acquiring a skill in this generation is one of the best things you can do for yourself in your 20s. So if you are still in your 20s, it is not yet late to learn a skill. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first business idea is freelance writing. Now, let's say something that writing is one of the best skills you can have in this generation. Now, I'm not good at writing engaging or compelling text or stories, but I envy those who are blessed with good writing skills. Now, as a good writer, there are so many ways you can make money on the internet with your skill. There are people who are naturally gifted writers, and if you're one of them, you should use your skill, or should I say your talent, to make money. And if you have passion for writing and you possess the skill for crafting or writing engaging, informative and compelling pieces of stories or text, then you can also offer your services as a freelance writer. Now, this could range from writing blog posts or articles or journals to creating content for websites and different social media platforms to make money. And you can even venture into the world of copywriting, where you can create persuasive content that will drive sales for various businesses to make money. Now, the beauty of freelance writing is that it can be done from anywhere and anytime, offering you the freedom to work at your convenience. So again, if you are blessed with a gift or with the skill of writing, this is one of the best ways to start making money on the internet. The second business idea you can start in your 20s is online tutoring. Now, this is undoubtedly one of the best ways to make money on the internet. With the global shift towards online learning, there is now a booming demand for online tutors. And if you are very good in a particular subject or a particular skill, or you are blessed with the talent of teaching, then why not share your knowledge with others so you can make money from it? You can also offer tutoring services in a wide range of subjects or skills. And as an online tutor, you not only get to make money, but you also have the fulfillment of helping others to learn and to grow. And you can even start teaching via writing, via YouTube videos, creating ebooks, creating courses, or even one-on-one coaching, and so on. There are just different ways you can make money on the internet as an online tutor. So once again, if you are the kind of person who is blessed with the talent of teaching, this is definitely a business idea you should consider. And if you have a particular skill already, it's easier as you can teach your skill to people to make money. The third online business idea to start is graphic design services. Now, if you have the skill of designing graphics and you're a creative individual with the ability to communicate visually, then you should consider offering your services as a graphic designer. Now, businesses out there are always in need of logos, banners, ads, and other design elements, and you could be the one to provide these vital services. You could also specialize in designing graphics for social media and creating user interfaces for websites and apps and other brands out there. Now, this is a great way to channel your creativity into a profitable business that allows you to showcase your talent. And you can even grow your graphic design business to become a big branded company wherever you are. So again, if you have the skill of graphic design, or you are good, or you are a creative person who can communicate visually, this is definitely a business idea you should consider. The next online business idea to start is e-commerce store. Now, the internet has made it easy and possible for anyone anywhere to start an online store and sell physical and digital products. Now, you can sell anything from handmade crafts to data courses or ebooks and so on. And even with the way dropshipping works, you can even sell products without having to handle inventory yourself. Now, this idea will give you the freedom to run your business without the inconvenience of managing a physical store and dealing with issues such as storage or logistics. Now, this business model is extremely versatile, and if you are passionate about a particular niche or a particular product to sell, opening an e-commerce store will allow you to create a business around whatever you love. Now, this business model requires a very good understanding of digital marketing for driving traffic to your store, your customer service for dealing with inquiries and issues, and the ability to adapt and change your product based on market trends and your consumer demands. Now, nevertheless, with the increasing trend of online shopping, e-commerce business model provides an excellent opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs because there are so many people who have created big businesses by starting with an e-commerce store. So this is another business idea for you to start in your 20s, and you can even grow it to become a big brand in the future. The fifth business idea to start in your 20s is digital marketing services. Now, as more businesses move online, the demand for digital marketing experts is on the rise. And if you have skills in SEO, content marketing, email marketing, or social media marketing, you can start your own digital marketing agency. Now, this means you will be helping businesses out there to increase their online visibility and reach their target audience more effectively. Now, digital marketing is a broad field that encompasses various strategies aimed at reaching, engaging, and converting online audiences. As more businesses understand the importance of having a robust online presence, the demand for digital marketing services is skyrocketing right now. So again, if you have a digital marketing skill, this is a great business idea to start. And starting your own digital marketing agency can be a good and rewarding venture because not only will you be helping businesses thrive in the digital space, you also have the opportunity to keep learning and growing in this ever-evolving field. So there you have it. These are the 5 profitable online business ideas to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey in your 20s. And these ideas are designed to inspire and guide you in identifying the right path for you. And I hope you can pick one of these ideas I've mentioned in this video, and I hope that these ideas have sparked some inspiration in you and will help you take the first steps towards your online business venture. Now, it is crucial to remember that any business, no matter how small or large, requires dedication, hard work, and persistence. Success may not come immediately in your business, but with time, effort, and the right mindset, it is within your reach. So start planning now, and who knows, maybe by this time next year, you could be running your own successful online business. So stay motivated and most importantly, believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Finance 20s. Bye.